Okay, now folks, when I left off, I had pulled a 2a out of these first two, okay? Now, I can see in this next one that I can pull out a 3, but only a 3, okay, plus 3 times b minus 3c. Oh, beautiful. Look, both of these terms now have a b minus 3c. I can pull it out front, put the b minus 3c out front. What's left? 2a plus 3 is what's left inside. Now I have factored it, this times that. Done. Easy. Boom. 4 terms factored by grouping. Okay, let's look at the next one. Now guys, this one's a challenge, okay? But the very first thing I'm looking at, see how that's p squared and that's minus q squared? I'm thinking about a trinomial, okay? I'm thinking about putting 3 terms together. And do you see, if I put, let's see, I've got q squared here, I've got qr in this one. So that means, does it go with the 4p squared or does it go with the minus r squared? Well, since this is qr, then it goes with the r. See, I've got qr, q squared, and r squared. So those are the 3 terms I'm going to put together. Okay? All right, fair enough. So I'm going to group these. Oh man, 4q squared just became positive. Look, before I put the parentheses there, you see it's negative. Negative 4q squared. But as soon as I put the parentheses here, now it became positive. What does that mean for these other signs? They've got to change. Okay? So I'm going to rewrite this thing. 4p squared minus, parentheses, positive 4q squared minus, see that? Minus 4qr plus r squared. Okay. Well, let's see. Can I factor this? It's 3 terms. Is it a perfect square? Well, let's see. This is a perfect square. This is a perfect square. So this has to equal 2 times the square root of this, 2q, and the square root of that, r. Well, that's going to be 4qr. It is a perfect square. Awesome. 4p squared minus, and then this is going to be 2q minus r squared. Whew. Nice. Wait a minute. It's not factored yet, Mr. C. It's not factored. I know it's not factored because it's this minus this. Whenever I'm factoring something, it's this times this. What do I do? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. How many terms are there? There's this one and this one. And it's a difference. If there are 2 terms, I'm looking for the difference of 2 squares. Okay. So that means that I'm going to have the square root of this front one is 2p. So I need 2p in the front of both of them. I need 2q minus r in back of both of them, right? Because that's the square root of this thing. And I need a plus and I need a minus between them. Whew. Nice. Now I have 2 things being multiplied together, but you know what? I've got to simplify the stuff that's inside there. Okay, let's see what we get. This is just going to be 2p plus 2q minus r. Okay, I can't simplify that. p, q, r, and it's in alphabetical order. Let's see, can I simplify? Oh, look, that negative's got to go in. That's what we need to do. 2p minus 2q plus r. This times this. Factor. Now that one's a challenging one. That one is a challenging one. Okay, we won't see those until we get to some of the higher numbers there, but we need to be aware of it. Okay, whenever I start a problem that has squares up here, okay, I may need to group 3 of them. All right. Okay, you're ready. Go for it, guys.